We are finally in Japan. Let's see what is waiting for us. Look at the giant screens in Shibuya.
Everyone is walking very fast here. Who is that beautiful bronze dog?
That is Hachiko, the loyal friend.
I see many small and fast cars. Whew, where is the fast train, Dad?
The station is under the ground.
The people here are very polite today. There is no trash on the street.
There are colorful drinks in this machine. Can I eat hot ramen today?
Yes, we can find a restaurant. The neon signs are bright and beautiful.
Is that our new hotel, Mom?
Yes, it is very high, Tom.
I can see the Tokyo Tower now.
The small beds look very comfortable. Can we see a robot tomorrow?
Yes, we can see many robots. Akihabara is full of bright electric signs.
Is this a real robot, Dad?
Yes, it can talk to you.
Look at the colorful anime posters. The music here is very loud. Can I play this cool game? Sure, let's find some coins.
Computers are everywhere in this big city.
These small machines have many toys.
How do I win this toy?
Use the button and the claw.
Ah!
A robotic dog is running here.
The vending machine sells hot coffee.
Does the robot pet bark, Dad?
Yes, it barks and it runs.
I am wearing a virtual reality headset.
Akihabara is like a science movie.
Should we buy this golden robot?
Yes, it is a great gift.
Do you like playing video games?
The big red lantern is very heavy.
Many people are wearing colorful kimonos today.
Is this temple very old, Dad?
Yes, it is the oldest in Tokyo.
I can smell the sweet street food. The small shops have many cute fans. Is this rice cake very sticky, Mom?
Yes, it is sweet and very soft.
The temple roof has a golden color.
Everyone is putting smoke on their bodies.
Why do they use the incense smoke?
It is for good health, my dear.
The water in the fountain is cold. I am pulling a small paper fortune.
Is it a good fortune for us?
Yes, it says we have great luck.
Look at the colorful fish in water. The garden is very quiet and peaceful. Can we stay here a little longer?
Yes, we can enjoy the view together. Tokyo Station is very big and busy.
The bullet train has a long nose. Is this train very fast, Dad?
Yes, it is fast like a rocket.
Many people buy bento boxes for lunch.
The train seats are soft and white. Can we eat our lunch now, Mom?
Yes, open your delicious bento box.
The train is moving very smoothly now.
I can see the green rice fields.
Where is the big mountain, Dad?
Look out the right window, Tom.
Mount Fuji has a white snow cap.
The mountain looks very beautiful and high.
Is Mount Fuji a volcano, Mom?
Yes, it is a very famous volcano.
Small houses are passing very fast now.
The train is going 300 kilometers. Whew.
Are we almost at the station? Yes, we are arriving very soon.
The bamboo trees are very tall today.
I see green light through the leaves. Is the bamboo strong like wood?
Yes, it is a very strong plant.
The wind makes a very soft music.
Can we ride this small carriage, Mom?
Yes, it is a traditional Japanese rickshaw.
The stone path is very long now.
Many people enjoy quiet Zen gardens here.
Look at the red gates in line.
How many red gates are here, Mom? There are thousands of beautiful gates here.
This orange temple is very famous now.
Is this green tea very healthy, Dad?
Yes, matcha is good for your body.
The river water is very clear today. Do the spirits live in this forest?
Many stories say that spirits live here.
I like the smell of old wood.
The sun is hiding behind the pagoda. Nara Park has many friendly wild deer.
Look at the deer walking on grass.
Are the deer very friendly, Dad?
Yes, they are very polite friends.
The small deer is bowing to me.
I am buying special deer crackers now.
Can we feed feed the deer, Mom? Yes, give them a small cracker.
Too many deer are following Tom now.
I am giving my cracker very slowly. Why do the deer bow, Dad?
They want to say thank you.
The Todaiji Gate is very giant.
The Buddha statue is made of bronze.
Is the golden Buddha very heavy?
Yes, it is thousands of tons.
Can we stay in Nara forever?
No, we have more places to go.
Dotonbori has many giant and colorful signs.
The big red crab is moving legs.
The takoyaki is very hot and tasty.
Oh, look at the giant glico running, man.
What are those round brown balls?
They are famous octopus balls, Tom.
Do you like the blue canal water?
Yes, the city lights are shining there. This thick pancake has many colorful toppings.
The streets are full of happy tourists.
Is the fried beef very spicy, Tom?
No, it is salty and very good.
I can see the yellow Ferris wheel.
Everything in Osaka is about great food.
Can we try the sweet melon pan?
Yes, it is very crunchy and sweet. The neon lights change colors every minute.
The mountains are covered in beautiful snow.
The cold air feels very fresh today. Where are the monkeys today, Dad?
Look, they are in the warm water.
Water!
A big monkey is sitting on rock.
The monkey has a very red face. Is the water very hot, Mom?
Yes, but the monkeys feel happy.
Do you see the white steam, Tom?
Yes, it is like a hot bath. A tiny baby monkey is hugging Mom. White snowflakes are falling on brown fur.
The mountain scenery is spectacular and quiet.
The monkeys are eating small bits food. Can we swim with the monkeys, Dad?
No, this pool is only for animals.
Do you like playing in the white snow?
Tokyo Skytree is the tallest tower now.
Is that the red Tokyo Tower, Dad?
Yes, it is the red light there.
What was your favorite part of Japan?
Japan was a very amazing family trip.